Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of being joined with Lisa Post. She's running for Town Council in Orangeville. Thank you for joining me, Lisa.
Thanks so much for having me.
So today I want to talk to you about Town Council has gone through some controversial topics in the past and voted on things that seem to want to be revisited. And so I guess what we want to ask on behalf of the voter is, what would you do, and in what circumstances will you bring back old issues that have already been voted on?
So I think probably one of the most common ones that you hear about, especially all over social media, is the OPP versus Orangeville Police Service debate. I think that there potentially is a desire to bring that back. If there was that desire to bring it back, I would be supportive of revisiting the OPP costing, only because I firmly believe that the way that it was handled this time around maybe didn't provide the public with enough information from both sides. I think we have an opportunity now that there's some other municipalities that have changed over to OPP under their new costing model, that there is the desire to have some new information there. So I do think that that's one that we could potentially revisit, and I would be supportive of revisiting that issue again. But really, I think that's the only one. I think that as a community, we really need to trudge forward, and I think we really need to forge on with some of the new issues and really visit some of the other important areas of the community.
Okay, and so what would be that qualifier in your mind between revisiting, the possibility of revisiting OPP and OPS versus a different issue?
So for OPP, OPS, like I said, I think that during the initial costing, I wasn't confident in all the information that was provided. I would have been much happier with some of the answers that we had received had there been a third-party analysis that had come in to really visit the numbers and really look at all the comparables. And again, at that point, there was no other municipality that had become a part of OPP during their new costing model. Now there have been, since our costing there have been. So I think that there's some other factors that could be brought in. But I do really want to see the town move forward in a positive way, and I think that it's important that we do let old issues be bygones and move forward.
Fantastic. Well, thank you very much for your candid answer. And certainly if you would like to see any future videos or some of the other answers Lisa has provided, feel free to take a look at the links below. And thank you for watching.